How's it going, guys? Today you're in for a treat because we've got another super simple beginner-friendly way that you can make money without any experience whatsoever, no technical skills required, and it's perfect whether you're from the US, whether you're from Asia or Australia or Africa, you can actually do this. So if making money is something that you're interested in, then welcome to the channel. Here on Next Level Finance, we live and breathe money-making strategies and the pursuit of financial freedom. So make sure that you click like, subscribe, and the notification bell below to make sure that you don't miss out on any of our content. With that said, let's go make some money! Step 1. Search for blog posts, articles, or videos that will appeal to a wide audience. Trending topics, popular news, or any kind of topic that many people would generally be interested to see or read about is what we're looking for here. Something that is not niche specific. For example, you can search for interesting facts about the coronavirus. Because the pandemic is real and it's affected the whole world without exception, this topic does not discriminate and would be something that you can expect to interest a large audience. Another thing that you can go with would be huge celebrities like BTS or Hollywood blockbusters like Spider-Man. These definitely have millions of people waiting and wanting to learn more about them, so you can leverage content revolving around them too. Again, your main task is to look for content that a lot of people would go for. It does not have to be something that you wrote yourself. It does not have anything you're particularly interested in. As long as it has the promise to appeal to a large audience, you would have done this step correctly. Now, once you find that article or blog post, I want you to copy the link and you would have successfully completed step 1. Now on to step 2. With a link to your appealing article or blog post on hand, I want you to visit this website called exe.io. You can access this website through any of your available devices such as your laptop, tablet, or mobile phone. And it's essentially a link shortener, which means that on this very platform, you can use any kind of URL or link, long or short, and convert it into something that's shorter and less bulky. And what's special about this link shortener is that whenever someone clicks on the link that you created here, you earn money. Now a little background on what this is and how it works. exe.io or link shorteners in general are essentially websites or applications that turn long links into shorter ones, but they redirect to the same link. Meaning that both links take you to the same website, same YouTube video, blog post, or whatever destination it is, except that the shorter version looks way less cluttered and takes up much less space, which makes it ideal for sharing online or anywhere visuals and character count matter. Using link shorteners is very easy to do. You simply paste a URL to shorten it, you click on Go or Shorten, and you're good to go. And besides beautifying the link, the best reason to use a link shortener is that every time someone clicks on one of yours, you get paid. I do love how I'm able to earn some quick cash by simply sharing content that I know that people will enjoy anyway, without costing them anything, without requiring anything from them, except being clicked on. Now, not all link shorteners will pay you. Ones like Bitly just shorten your link straight away. But paid link shorteners like exe.io work with advertisers who pay to be put in front of an audience. And every time someone clicks on your link, they're taken to what's called a bridge page, where an ad is shown before being redirected to the actual URL. So now that you're familiar with how paid link shorteners work, it's time to complete step 2 already and create an account on exe.io. Doing so will allow you to start using their free service and make money. So as you can see, they will provide you with detailed statistics just like this, so you can track the performance of your links and also determine where most of your clicks are from. They also offer some of the highest payout rates in the market, along with the low payout threshold of $3, which you can cash out through PayPal, Payeer, RTM, Bitcoin, or in Amazon gift cards. So to get started, please click on this sign up button over here on the upper right hand corner of the page. Enter a username, your email address, password, and tick on the box where it says I agree to the terms and conditions. After your email address has been verified, you get full access to the dashboard and can get started immediately. Something that you might want to take note of is that the amount of clicks is highly dependent on where those clicks are coming from. As you might expect, clicks from top-tier countries such as US, the UK, Switzerland, Norway, Sweden, etc. will pay more than those from developing nations. So now that our account is ready, do you remember the URL link we got from earlier? So for step 3, I want you to now paste that same link onto this box over here and click Create. Easy as pie, you have your shortened link that is also your ticket to making some extra money. Which brings us to step number 4, promoting that link. It's not going to click on itself after all, so I'm going to need to show you how you will be able to put it in front of an audience and get clicks despite not having your own audience or circle of influence just yet. It is 100% possible to do, so listen close. Just a quick reminder to those of you who aren't already subscribed to please not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bells below because it's super simple to do and it also really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. I want you to visit this website called Herculist.com, which is a platform that will allow you to advertise to thousands of people for completely free every day. So I want you to go ahead and create an account by clicking on this button over here. It's just the usual details, but you'll need to submit 2 email addresses if you have them, which I recommend. If you have only one, then I highly suggest that you quickly create a new one. It's free anyway, so that you can use it under your subscribed email and then use another one as your main email. As soon as you successfully subscribe to Herculist Plus, you'll be able to send 1 email a day to 1,000 email addresses, all of whom are guaranteed to be 100% real traffic. Now, because our shortened link features content that is not niche specific, it can work for different genders, different age groups, different ethnicities, different interests, and precisely because it's so general in nature, it will work well with this platform. So besides earning from having your links clicked on, exe.io also offers a fantastic lifetime referral program, which means that you will receive 15% of whatever anyone you refer makes on their platform. This 15% will not be deducted from your friend's account, but will be paid to you on top of whatever it is that they will receive, and that's just awesome. So let's say someone you referred is able to earn $1,000 working this side hustle, you'll be able to make $150 completely passively as you sleep. So there you have it, guys, the basics of how you can use paid link shorteners to make you some quick and easy cash. I sure hope that you learned something new and get started on this method right away. If you're not yet a part of our growing community and have stuck around until this part of the video, then thank you and welcome. We're happy to have you on board. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because we do post multiple times a week now and you don't want to miss out on a single one of our videos. Speaking of which, we do have a ton of them already, and I'll leave links to some of the ones I think you'll enjoy the most in the description box or comments section below, so please don't forget to check those out. Alrighty then, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you again on the next one.